Guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and well, today I'm going to talk about a shampoo that I recently discovered. And my god, this shampoo is so amazing, guys. So I saw a bunch of people talking about this online, so I went ahead on Amazon, picked it up for myself, and seriously, this is literally the best rice water shampoo I have ever tried. I've said this before, rice water is brilliant for your hair, right? And even I love using rice water. My hair loves rice water. Just look at my hair. Look how happy my hair looks, right? So if you're the same way, if you love rice water, or if it's something that you're looking to explore for your hair care routine, just keep watching this video because today we're going to talk about this shampoo. This is the shampoo that I'll be talking about. The Buds and Berries shampoo with rice water and chia seed. It's a brilliant discovery. And also, hang on till the end of the video because I have an amazing surprise lined up for you guys, something great to start your New Year's with. So yes, just keep watching this video, guys, and don't go anywhere. So guys, I started talking about why rice water and why is the world going crazy about rice water. Well, to begin with, rice water contains a lot of starch. You probably already know this. It's very rich in starch and it's known to hold a cloud of nutrition, a lot of nutrition for your hair. Okay, so when you just start using rice water, and personally this is something which I have also experienced, so I can tell you for sure that once you start using rice water, one of the first things you will notice is the hair starts looking shiny, soft, smooth and detangled. Let me show you how detangled my hair is. Okay, so the hair starts looking shiny, soft, smooth and so detangled. Has my hair ever looked this good, guys? This is why I'm so happy right now. My hair is looking very, very good. Now this is when you just start using rice water. Okay, however, once you make it a part of your routine, once you start using rice water regularly, let me just show you some pictures of these Japanese women who wash their hair with rice water regularly as a part of the tradition. Do you see how thick, long, voluminous, strong the hair looks? So that's again all thanks to rice water. So rice water has a lot of benefits for your hair and it can really solve for a lot of hair problems for a lot of you. Now guys, before we start talking about the shampoo in itself, I do want to talk a little bit more about the ingredients and what it has and what it doesn't have. Because I know a lot of you are extremely concerned about, what your products contain. And I think it's a very, very genuine, a very reasonable, good concern to have. So I'll talk about what it does not have and, how clean the product is, which I think really impressed me the first time I saw it. So it comes with 5 clean beauty assurances, which is no sulfates, no parabens, no silicone, no platelets and no gluten. Plus it's dermatologically tested. So it's very clean, very safe and because it's dermatologically tested, it's even safer, right? And that's about what it does not have. What it does have is rice water. We just talked about rice water and the benefits like nourishing, strengthening, making your hair amazing. It also contains chia seed, which again is extremely powerful, very, very nutritious. So this combination of chia seeds and rice water is excellent for your hair, guys. It, like I said, it nourishes, strengthens the hair. It also adds volume to your hair when you start using it regularly. Talking about the Buds and Berries shampoo with rice water and chia seed and its packaging. Well, it comes in a pump bottle which makes for easy dispensing. Okay, let me try that again. The Buds and Berries shampoo with rice water and chia seed comes in a pump bottle, which makes it very, very easy to dispense a product on your palm when you're using it. So usually I like to just keep it like this, on my bathroom shelf and nothing else, but it does come with this lock feature. So when you're traveling, okay, when you're traveling and you don't want any spilling or any leakage, you can just snap and put this lock in. Now guys, talking about my personal experience with this shampoo, like so far my hair has been doing all the talking, but now I'll tell you. So I discovered this shampoo a while ago, like I said, right? I saw a bunch of people talking about it online, so I picked it up and I have been using it for a while. You probably can't see this on camera, but I've used up almost like 3/4 of the bottle, so that's how much I've used it. That's for how long I've been using it. Now a little background, I have tried rice water shampoos from other brands as well. So we have a few brands making rice water shampoos in India right now, selling rice water shampoos in India right now, like there are 3 or 4 brands, I think, and I have used quite a few of them, right? So this has been my favorite rice water shampoo discovery so far. It's absolutely amazing. Let me show this to you up close, okay? First of all, the formula is thick, rich and creamy and it lathers. Let me tell you why this is amazing, because it's a sulfate-free shampoo. So traditionally, sulfates are used in shampoo to make it lather, to make your bathing experience extremely rich. But sulfates are bad. Sulfates are bad. So you don't want sulfates in your shampoo. But This shampoo does not contain sulfates and yet it lathers. So it has the best of both worlds, and it just makes the showering experience absolutely amazing. And talking about the benefits that I have noticed, like I just told you, right, because of the ingredients of the Buds and Berry shampoo with rice water and chia seed, because it has these amazing ingredients, it makes your hair shiny, it makes your hair soft, smooth, even more voluminous. It's more than just a shampoo, guys. So when I picked up the shampoo first, let me just show you the claims that it makes, okay, of the benefits. So these are the claims. If you want to pause the video, you can check it out. Now it claims to give you 120 hours of conditioning, reduce hair breakage. Personally, I have seen these things work for me. So the first time when I actually tried the shampoo, I saw the 120 hours of conditioning claim. I thought, okay, let's try it out, let's see what it does. So I used the shampoo and then I didn't apply any conditioner, any serum after the shampoo, nothing, just the shampoo and no conditioner or serum. And surprisingly, it worked. Like, the hair instantly felt soft, smooth, well behaved, detangled very easily. So it works. And as for the hair breakage claim, well, let me tell you what I have experienced. Okay, this is huge, and I know a lot of girls experience the same thing. So when you're shampooing your hair or when your hair is wet, that is when you'll probably see a chunk of hair falling, right? So this is how it used to be. Like, my shower area always had like a lot of hair fall, like collecting over there. So that has reduced. When I'm combing through my hair, the hair breakage has reduced that way also. So overall, the hair does seem to behave like it's stronger, because the hair wasn't stronger, it would still be breaking. So the hair is not breaking that much, it's stronger, it's well conditioned, it's well behaved. So now after shampooing my hair, I don't even need to use a conditioner. I don't use a conditioner. Today also I didn't use a conditioner. This is just how the hair has been. So obviously, when you just start using the shampoo, you will see some difference. Like in my case, I definitely saw some difference right from the first use itself. But now it's been about three and a half, 4 weeks or so of using this shampoo, and I can tell you for a fact that the difference is far more out there. Like, it's very, very visible. When I shampoo my hair, I can see the difference much more easily. Now, technically, who can and who should use this shampoo? Personally, I feel everyone should use this shampoo, because who doesn't like soft, shiny, voluminous, detangled, stronger hair, well-conditioned hair, right? So everyone wants that. I personally feel that this is a great shampoo for everyone, for men and for women, by the way. Everyone can use it. And it's a very mild formula. I just showed you. It's very, very clean. It's very, very mild. It's also dermatologically tested, so it's safe for all hair types. It's safe and can be used by literally everyone. You can just use it. So guys, in summary, the reason why I love this shampoo is because my hair loves this shampoo. So whatever my hair loves, I also love. And it makes sense because it has the right ingredients. It's clean. And the hair, like today I shampooed my hair. My hair is likely to look like this for the next 4 to 5 days, even if I don't do anything. Like previously I would make so many DIYs, masks. I still use them sometimes because it's fun. But it's not because my hair actually needs it, right? So I will put the link for this product, the Buds and Berry shampoo with rice water and chia seed. I will put the link in the description box below. You can check it out. And now for the big surprise, guys, the surprise that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Have you forgotten about it already? Really? Okay, never mind. So guys, the surprise is that today we will also be having an amazing New Year's giveaway. There'll be 3 winners, and each winner will get one of these boxes. Okay, what's in this box? Let me show you that first. So each box contains 3 products. First is the Buds and Berry shampoo with ginger and vetiver. Then we have the Buds and Berries moisturizing foaming face wash with rice water. And then we have the Buds and Berries detox and refresh body wash in the variant tangerine orange. Okay, so these are amazing, right? So what happened was, I'll tell you, I actually sent the brand a message on Instagram that, hey, I liked your product and I want to do a review on my YouTube channel. I just want to see what they would say. And they were like, sure. And they actually sent me these boxes. So I am reviewing the shampoo that, like I just told you, it's my new favorite discovery. But they did send me these boxes, and I was like, okay, since I have 3 of these, might as well do a giveaway for you guys. So to enter the giveaway, it's very, very simple. The rules are very, very simple. All you have to do is write in the comment section below what your self-love resolution for the New Year's is. How do you plan to be kinder to yourself, love yourself more, whatever works for you. For me, I have definitely decided to stop being so hard on myself. Anytime I miss a deadline, anytime I miss something, that I was supposed to do. And there's so much of hustle in today's life, right? There's so much going on in everybody's life. So I tend to be very hard on myself, that how could I make this mistake? So my resolution is to be a little kinder to myself. So that's my self-love resolution. What's your self-love resolution for this year? How do you plan to be, like I said, kinder, nicer to yourself, love yourself more? Let me know in the comment section below. 3 winners will be picked randomly, and each lucky winner will get one of these Buds and Berries box slash kit, whatever you want to call it. So a little bit about the brand before we end the video. We talked so much about the shampoo, but just so you know, now Buds and Berries is a brand, like, the reason why I love this brand so much is because it's inspired by garden fresh ingredients, very fresh, very clean brand, very interesting ingredients that they're using. Like we saw when we're talking about the shampoo in itself, right? You might have noticed this also. So it's very clean brand, very interesting ingredient range. And yes, that's all I want to share in this video today, guys. If you have tried out this shampoo by any chance, let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been. I would love to hear from you guys because I'm definitely a fan. And if you have tried out any of the other products from this brand before, let me know in the comment section again. What products have you tried out and what your experience has been? I would just love to hear your feedback, okay? And apart from that, don't forget to enter this giveaway by letting me know in the comment section below what your self-love resolution for this year is. More giveaway details, like when it ends and everything, will be there in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if it helped you discover something amazing, if you like this giveaway, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.